Yes, student, the next about the p block element, especially 13th group elements. So the property is electropositive or metallic property. You can also discuss the non-metallic property. Student, 13th group elements are less electropositive, less electropositive than S block element. Actually, S block elements are most electropositive, and we know that on moving from left to right, electropositivity decreases. This is due to increase in number of proton and nuclear attraction force. Therefore, the release of electrons becomes difficult. Then S block element, due to smaller size, and strong nuclear attraction force. Okay, boron, it is the first element, is least electropositive, because smallest size and strongest nuclear attraction force, Okay, moving down the group, moving from barium to aluminium, okay, metallic character increases. Metallic character, or you can say nature, increases, okay, due to increase in size, and decrease in ionization enthalpy. That is, you can say, that is aluminium is a metal. Aluminum is a metal. Now student, if we further move down to the group, there should be more increase in the metallic character, but there is an exceptionally after Al to thallium, metallic character decreases. Metallic character, or you can say nature, decreases. Now, why it decreases? Because D10 and D10 plus F14 electrons, okay, in next elements means indium, thallium, etc., gallium, indium, thallium, etc. in next element causes poor and improper shielding effect. Student, it is one of the very important term. What? Poor and improper shielding effect. Actually what? The D10 electron and F14 electron, they are unable to shield the nuclear charge, okay, towards the last electron, and therefore the electrons are closely attracted by nucleus. So the electron releasing tendency decreases. You know that the electron releasing tendency stands for metallic nature. Now being it is decreases, therefore what? Metallic nature decreases. So exceptionally after aluminum to thallium, metallic nature decreases because D10 and F14 electron causes poor and improper shielding effect. Okay. Now we can consider like electronegativity. Okay, like here electronegativity of boron, you can consider aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Student, here the boron has highest electronegativity 2.0. After then at a sudden electronegativity decreases because electropositivity increases and it become 1.5. But after 1.5, now again the electronegativity increases 1.6, 1.7 and 1.8. That is what? The metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases. Here, gallium is considered as the semiconductor. Semiconductor. Aluminum is only what here? Metal. While boron, it is considered as semi-metal, or you can also call it what? Semiconductor. Isn't it? So these type of very different properties are shown by the 13th group element. Therefore, the study of 13th group element is very difficult. Next property is melting point. Student, it is also one of the very specific properties. Boron shows exceptionally high melting point. And exceptionally term used, that is what? 2450 Kelvin. It is considered as very high melting point. You can call it like iron. Okay, although it is non-metal, however, its property, that is melting point, is very high due to specific structure. Called icosaedral structure. Having what? 12 corner and 20 faces. This is called icosaedral structure. So its melting point is very high. Aluminium has 930 Kelvin. It is because it has a simple metallic bond. Therefore, the melting point is getting sudden decreases. Gallium melting point is 303 Kelvin. That is almost 30 degrees Celsius. Therefore, at room temperature, if sudden or very minute decrease in the temperature, sometimes it becomes liquid, sometimes it becomes solid. But after that, that is what? Indium and thallium. Now, the melting point is getting increases, like it become 430, that is quite high, more than 100 degree Celsius, while the thallium metal have 576. It is because as the size increases, the van der Waals attraction force also increases, and thus the melting point also increases.